Hi, and welcome back to Skrach. Today, we're going to make mocha pudding. Let's get started. For this, we'll need 6 eggs, 4 cups of half and half or whole milk, a cup of sugar, 6 tablespoons of espresso powder, a quarter cup of cornstarch, a quarter cup of cocoa powder, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a half teaspoon of salt. We'll start by separating our eggs and placing our yolks into a large pot. Then we'll whisk in our quarter cup of cornstarch, 6 tablespoons of espresso powder, cup of sugar, quarter cup of cocoa powder, and quarter teaspoon of salt before whisking in our 4 cups of half and half or whole milk. We're starting with a cold pot so that our egg yolks temper as they cook. Then we'll cook our pudding on the stovetop over medium heat, whisking constantly until it reaches a pudding consistency, about 20 minutes. Once our pudding's done, we'll remove it from the heat and whisk in our teaspoon of vanilla extract before pouring it into a bowl and covering it with plastic wrap so that a film doesn't form, and place it in the fridge to cool and set for at least 4 hours before serving. We'll serve this chilled. And that's it. You've got a nice, delicious mocha pudding. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes like this one. Thank you for watching, and see you next week.